Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to add strokes to our text and our shapes. So let's quickly get started. So to add strokes, once you select the text, here the text is 52 pixels. I'll select the layer of 52 pixels and now I'll go to the FX icon right here and go to the strokes. So after going to strokes, this toolbar appears in front of me, and as you can see, a small border has been added to my text. So these are the controls which I can do. So position, we can set it to outside, inside, or on the center. I personally prefer on the outside of the text. Then there is some blend mode. We can multiply, darken, lighten, anything. Let's just keep it normal. And this is opacity. So you can make it like completely opaque, or I set it to 50% of the opacity, and this is the size. So let's keep the size as 5. And then we have fill type. We can use a solid color or a gradient like this, or a pattern, which I personally don't prefer pattern. Let's keep a simple solid color, and then we can change the color. So we can either pick from these colors, or if you want a custom color from the image itself, just select the color from the image like this. Then click on OK, and this is done. So the stroke has been added to our text. We'll do the same with the shape. So instead of doing the same procedure again, what we do is select the stroke and right click over here and copy layer style. Then go to the shape and again right click, paste layer style. As you can see, the same style has been pasted over here and they look similar. Now what if you want to add one more stroke on the text? So again, go to text, go to FX icon, go to stroke, and tap on this plus icon over here. After tapping, you get two different strokes, but you won't be able to see it as the stroke which is above the main stroke. It is displayed the most. So to make this stroke visible, we will just increase the size and let's change the color and make it somewhat this color, or maybe this. Yeah, so as you can see, the size has increased and we have added one more stroke of a different color. Again, we can increase the opacity, the blend mode, and the position. So I prefer it outside always. And blend mode, we can maybe use overlay or linear light, anything which suits the best for your text or the shape. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels if you haven't yet, and press on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.